right, YouTube, T5, Becky the Trekkie here at Cedar Downs at Cedar Point. We're going to go ahead and jump on this classic fast-moving carousel horse ride, and we'll see you when we get on the ride.
Hello, can I have you take your hat off?
Sure. Okay. The hat is going in the bin, Becky. We're going up to this bin, then you're going to pick a horse. Pick your horse. Hope no one takes my hat. You're going right there? Okay. I'm gonna get on this horse right here. They got the cars, but it looks steamy. So what do they call this? No, I mean like this type of ride. Is it it's a Ferris wheel? It's just like a racing horse Ferris wheel? What do they call this ride?
Cedar Downs.
Is it like a Ferris wheel though, or what type of ride is it?
Carousel?
Carousel?
Yeah, I think it's just a fast carousel.
Fast carousel? Okay, thank you. Fast carousel, Becky. Strap on in. Probably not many. I've never been on one. This is my first. So pretty cool. They look like they've been freshly painted. They've got some steel bars right here you hold on to. You can actually ride double if you see the horses up in front there. That girl's got her hand back on the second seat, so I suppose if you had a youngster with you, you're gonna lean. Don't fall off of it. You definitely don't want to like come on these things like woozy or anything. This one's not so bad. The old-fashioned ones, when you're, remember what carousel was that I was on, and the whole pole was just leaning. I remember I could shake it side to side, and I was like, don't go on this one drunk, because if you take a dive onto this concrete to the left here, I think it was at oh boy, it wasn't Kentucky Kingdom. That one was so screeching loud you couldn't. It wasn't Kings Island. Oh man, I'm not sure. No backwards riding, she said. Boy, they've got a heck of a flower garden in the center of this thing. It's all open air. Forgive the shot if it's shaky. I'm on my recorder glasses because they don't allow GoPro. But here we go, everyone. The fast carousel. There's Becky. Oh, I'm way ahead of Becky. Wow, these actually race. Oh, okay. Becky's ahead. We're falling behind here. I'm going to put some weight in the stirrups and lean forward and see if we can get him to move forward. Let's go here. He's on the dark horse and he's picking up steam. Stay in the seat. Oh no! Becky's up to the front. This thing moves. This is a great family ride right here. Old school. Nice breeze. Oh, Becky's ahead again. Oh, it bucks you up and down pretty good. Okay, take your bets. Who's gonna win? We got 4 horses here. Becky's in the outside lane, I'm in the second lane, and we got two ghost riders. One on each side of me. Who's gonna win? Oh, wait. Wait. Who's gonna make it? I think Becky's won this race. You're on the lucky Irish one. You pick the Irish horse. It's got the shamrocks, the three-leaf shamrocks. Look at this. Wow. That was actually better than expected. I gotta say, go ahead and jump on this thing. There's no wait. It's a hot, sunny day today. So absolutely get in the shade, get a little breeze here. We try to bounce intense rides with family rides or, you know, something in between. Maybe a thrill ride too, we'll see. All right, what'd you think? I know. For sure. Yeah, I think your horse won, Becky. I think your horse won, Becky. Where's the bin with the hat? Grab the hat. Should have brought your sun hat, Becky. All right, just coming off of Cedar Downs, I gotta say, awesome carousel. What'd you think?
Yeah, interesting. I've never been on a fast carousel ever before, so pretty neat.
My first fast carousel as well. Definitely check this one out. It's in the shade. Awesome ride in between rides. There's not a lot of shade, so you gotta kind of like grab your shade while you can. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 for carousels though. It's got a fast pace. The horses are great. It's got a little racing effect there. You can kind of take some bets if you want to see which of the four in the row is gonna come out winner in the end. I think Becky won in that race there, of course. So nice job. She had the lucky Irish horse. Pulled it out in the end. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button if you haven't. We'll have more videos out all the time. We'll be filming everything we can here at Cedar Point, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.